Hi, in this video I will show you how you can easily extract all the images inside a PowerPoint presentation. For example, let's say I have a presentation with two slides and I have multiple images here. What we usually do is right click the images, whichever image we want, and then click save as pictures. And that's how we usually extract all the images from presentations. Now if it is one or two images, it's probably easy to do it. But let's say if we have multiple slides, like if you have 5 to 10 slides and all slides have images, and to do this repeatedly, it will be very time consuming. So here is a small trick to do it. Before that, you have to make sure that your this extension is visible, file extension too. For that, you have to go to your Explorer, and then go to View, Show, and check this file name extensions. When this is checked, you can see the PPT extension. So what we have to do is we have to right click, rename this file, and we have to convert it into a zip file, and you have to click yes. So this is now a zip file. We have to double click it. Inside this PPT folder, you will get a media folder, and inside this all the images that was used in these presentations will be available. So all you have to do is to extract this and click extract, and this is the extracted folder. So if I go back to this route, I will see all the images that is used in my presentation. So this is how you can easily extract all the images in one simple step. And now if you want to revert the zip file to presentation, all you have to do is rename the extension. So it was zip, now we will rename it to PowerPoint presentation. So this is PPTX, and click yes, and now it's back to a PowerPoint presentations. And now you click and everything is working fine. And this is how you can easily extract all the images with a simple trick, and it's very time saving. Well, that's it. Thank you.